Hi everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of 2278 Boxster Way. This is a cute little property, centrally located. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1461 square feet. Come on in and let's take a look around. Okay, when you walk in the home, you walk into the living room area here. You have this great Kiva fireplace, tile floors with tile baseboards, nice high ceilings. You got a ceiling fan here. There is French doors out to the east facing backyard as well. All right, the spacious kitchen here has lots of cabinets, plenty of workspace and countertop space, has a breakfast bar, nice and open to the living room as well. It comes with the fridge, built-in dishwasher, and you also have a gas stove and a nice big eating area here as well. The home has a split floor plan, so I'm standing in the master right now. Nice sized room, you got a ceiling fan. The master bathroom is a beautiful master bathroom. You got a jetted tub, a walk-in tiled shower with a bench, a nice skylight in there to give you plenty of natural light, and there's a his and her walk-in closets as well. The guest bedrooms are nice sized rooms. Both have ceiling fans and walk-in closets. The guest bathroom has tile, a nice tub shower combo with a skylight for lots of natural light. The home has this nice big yard, low maintenance, kind of a clean slate for the new owner for what they would like to do with the yard. Plenty of room for a pool or swing sets. I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2278 Boxster Way. Again, this is a great little property, 1461 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, tons of potential here. So give me a call, as always, for all your real estate needs. Call the Bruder Real Estate Team, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.